In Pakistan, many seek to grow their wealth. They also want to follow Islamic values. This means finding investment options that are halal. These options must align with the principles of Islamic finance. Ethical financial growth is possible for everyone. It's about making responsible choices. It ensures that our money is used in a way that benefits society. Islam emphasizes the importance of earning a living through honest means. This includes how we invest our savings. Interest-based investments are forbidden in Islam. It's crucial to find alternatives that are Sharia compliant. Many ethical investment avenues are available in Pakistan. These options provide opportunities to grow wealth. They also adhere to Islamic guidelines. This guide will explore these options in detail. It aims to empower you to make informed financial decisions. Let's embark on this journey of ethical wealth building together. Islam has clear guidelines about financial transactions. One fundamental principle is the prohibition of interest, or riba. This principle is rooted in justice and fairness. Interest is considered exploitative. It creates an imbalance between the lender and the borrower. The Quran explicitly forbids riba. This prohibition is a cornerstone of Islamic finance. It encourages a more equitable system. It promotes risk sharing and cooperation. Traditional investment methods often rely heavily on interest. This creates a challenge for Muslims seeking ethical options. However, Islamic finance offers a range of alternatives. These alternatives are designed to be free from interest. They adhere to Islamic principles. Understanding the prohibition of interest is key. It enables us to explore these alternative investment avenues with confidence. Islamic banking has emerged as a significant force in Pakistan. It provides a Sharia-compliant alternative to conventional banking. A key feature of Islamic banking is the concept of profit and loss sharing, or PLS. In PLS accounts, the bank invests your money in Sharia-compliant ventures. Profits generated are shared between you and the bank. Losses, if any, are also shared based on a pre-agreed ratio. This system promotes transparency and fairness. It aligns with the Islamic principle of risk sharing. Islamic banks offer a variety of products and services. These include savings accounts, current accounts, and financing facilities. All these products and services adhere to Islamic principles. Choosing Islamic banking is a crucial step. It aligns your finances with your values. It supports the growth of an ethical financial system. Real estate has long been a favored investment avenue in Pakistan. It offers the potential for substantial returns. Investing in real estate can be done in a Sharia-compliant manner. This involves ensuring that the purchase and rental agreements adhere to Islamic guidelines. One way to invest in real estate is through direct ownership. This could involve purchasing a house, an apartment, or land. The property can be rented out. This provides a regular income stream. Another option is to invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties. They offer a more liquid and accessible way to participate in the real estate market. However, it's crucial to ensure that the REITs you choose are Sharia compliant. Real estate investments, when structured correctly, offer a tangible and rewarding way to build wealth. They align with Islamic principles. The Pakistan Stock Exchange offers opportunities for investors. Muslims need to ensure their investments are Sharia compliant. This involves investing in companies that operate ethically. They must not engage in businesses prohibited by Islam. Sharia-compliant stock screening criteria are available. These criteria help identify companies aligned with Islamic principles. They exclude companies involved in activities like alcohol, gambling, or interest-based businesses. Several mutual funds in Pakistan focus on Sharia-compliant investments. These funds have experienced fund managers. They make investment decisions based on Islamic guidelines. This makes it easier for individuals to invest ethically. They can benefit from professional expertise. Investing in the stock market can be a viable option. However, it's essential to do so with careful consideration. Ensure your investments align with your values. Gold and silver have been valued throughout history. They are considered safe haven assets. They act as a hedge against inflation. This means their value tends to rise when the cost of goods and services increases. From an Islamic perspective, investing in gold and silver is permissible. However, there are specific guidelines to follow. For instance, any gold or silver purchased should be physically held. This ensures ownership and avoids issues related to paper trading. Investing in precious metals can be a wise strategy. It preserves wealth. It provides a sense of security. However, it's essential to do so responsibly. Consult with experts. Make informed decisions. Investing in startups and private businesses can be rewarding. It also carries higher risks. These investments play a vital role in economic growth. They create jobs and foster innovation. From an Islamic perspective, investing in startups is permissible. It's crucial to ensure the business model is ethical. It must not involve any prohibited activities. Before investing, conduct thorough due diligence. Understand the business model. Assess the risks involved. Look for startups that align with your values. They contribute to society's betterment. Investing in startups can be both financially rewarding and ethically fulfilling. It supports innovation and entrepreneurship. Navigating the world of finance can seem daunting. However, understanding the principles of Islamic finance simplifies the process. It empowers you to make ethical decisions. Remember, building wealth should not come at the expense of your values. By choosing Sharia-compliant investment options, you can grow your wealth. You can contribute to a more just and equitable society. Consult with qualified financial advisors who specialize in Islamic finance. They can provide personalized guidance based on your circumstances and goals. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. Let's work together to create a more ethical and prosperous future for everyone.